up? It's me, Alexa, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be quite different because I am in my kitchen today and I'm making super fun DIY summer drinks that you guys can have. And these are some recipes. One of these is a copycat recipe for the strawberry acai from Starbucks. So saving your money and making good drinks. I gotcha. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you guys put a big thumbs up and subscribe. And we're gonna go and get on to the video.
Quand il me prend dans ses bras, il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Il me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours, et ça me fait quelque chose. Il est entré dans mon cœur, mais pas de bonheur dont je connais la cause. C'est lui pour moi pour lui dans la vie. Il me l'a dit, l'a juré pour la vie. Et dès que je l'aperçois, alors je sens en moi mon cœur qui bat. Hold me close and hold me fast. This magic spell you've cast, this is la vie en rose. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see la vie en rose. When you press me to your heart, I'm in a world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem to turn into love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be la vie en rose.
Alright, yes, that was the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was just a quick little video because I want to start posting twice a week now. Yes, you heard me, twice a week. And we, might just have a second video this week. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and comment where you can. And I will see y'all, ladies and gentlemen, in the next video. Bye.
I could let it go easy, but I'm still